and gentlemen, for your safety and the safety of others, we kindly ask that you refrain from climbing over the seats. Please use the stairs and aisleways as you exit. Once again, please only use the stairs and aisleways to exit. Thank you.
Dolphin Adventures. We're home to 11 Bottlenose Dolphins ranging in age from just 3 years old all the way up to 43 years young. We love to care for these animals and celebrate with them each and every day. Now, I've got just one question for all of you. Are you ready to meet some dolphins? Great, because they're so excited to meet each and every one of you. Coming up first, a dolphin who is one of our friendliest here at Dolphin Adventures. She's coming to give you all a big wave hello in the center of the pool. This is Coco. And up next, a dolphin showing off her best impression for all of you. This is Donna. And last but certainly not least, one of our Pacific Bottlenose Dolphins. She's coming to show you just how cold this water is at 55 degrees. It's Donnie. And of course, we can't forget about our dedicated team of trainers who care for these animals each and every day. Please say hello to our talented team. Ladies and gentlemen, these animals have a whole lot of energy and they love to have fun. So let's watch as they...
Let's give it up for our Dolphin stars. Hello everyone, my name is Caleb and I'm giving you all a great big wave down here at the front of the glass. How's my soaks out doing out here? Very, very nice. Well, my very first time coming to SeaWorld, I was 4 years old and I sat in the stadium and watched many of these same animals bond and interact with their trainers and show off that beautiful relationship that you have the opportunity to witness right now. Now it was the relationship that the trainers and the animals were sharing with one another that inspired me to want to work here at SeaWorld. Now, I've worked with dolphins for almost 4 years, but I've also worked with whales, seals, sea lions, otters, even walruses. And one thing that every single one of these animals have in common with one another is that they have their own unique personalities and their own stories. Now, all of these animals serve as great ambassadors to their friends out in the wild, which is why I'm going to bring up my friend Lily to come and meet one of my dolphin friends named Coco. Come on up here for me. And here comes the lovely Coco. I'm going to have you keep your hands down by your side for me. Very nice. I want you to take 2 hands just like this. Give Coco a big wave. Hello, go for it. Big wave. Awesome job. All right, take 2 fingers like this. Go ahead and bounce them up and down. She's gonna sing a pretty song. Go for it. Do you recognize that song, Lily? It's called E. She sings it and just nails it every time. All right, here you go. I'm gonna give you this fish right here. This is a capelin. Go ahead and toss that one to her. Very nice, Lily. Here's another capelin. Very nice. You know what kind this one is? A dead one. Yep, go ahead and give her that one too. All right, awesome job. You're doing so good. What I'm gonna have you do, give her a nice rub right there on her dorsal there. What do you think she feels like? Like a dolphin? Yeah, you know, the jokes don't get any better than that. All right, Lily, you have done such a great job. We're gonna play one more game with Coco. Cover your eyes. On the count of 3, you're gonna open them and yell, boo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, boo. Oh my goodness. Try it one more time. Close your eyes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, boo. One more time, because it's fun. 1, 2, 3, boo. Oh my goodness. Coco is just so excited. Come on down here. Lily, we have a little problem. I want you to take a look at your hands. They're a little fishy, huh? All right, special trick. All of you help me out. Put them up nice and high. There we go. Everyone, hands up, nice and high. There we go. Put them together. Rub them so fast. There you go, faster. And then just wipe them on your shirt. Yeah, there you go. Look great, smell great for the rest of the day. Lily, All right, come on over here for me. We're not quite done. I want all of you to wave at our superstar Lily. You wave back at all your new fans. Everyone wave at each other. Perfect. Coco's going to wave right behind you. I'm going to go this way for no reason at all. Half of Lily. Lily, I had no idea that Coco was going to do that. Everyone, let's give it up for Coco and her new friend, Lily. Back to you, Denise.
Thanks, Caleb. What a great way to get things started. Don't go anywhere just yet because we have so much more fun planned for all of you. Now we know how amazing it is because of those high-flying and high-energy behaviors that you see our animals participating in. But what you don't get to see as often is that quiet, one-on-one time that we strive to spend with our animals every single day. This one-on-one time is how we get to know our animals and build our relationships with them. Dolphins, like many other marine mammals, are incredibly intelligent, and they have their own individual personalities, just like we all do as well, which is why it's so important to spend that one-on-one time with them. By doing this, we can learn what they seem to truly enjoy and be engaged by, and what they may seem to not be so interested in. For example, earlier you had the opportunity to meet Coco. Coco is our 14-year-old here at Dolphin Adventures, and she is one of our highest flyers. She's also one of our most vocal animals. She seems to really enjoy learning new behaviors with her trainers and just spending quality time with them as well. On the other hand, you have the opportunity to meet Melanie. Melanie is our largest dolphin at 640 pounds. She also is a very bossy lady and likes to keep all the other dolphins in line. Melanie seems to really enjoy water work behaviors with her trainers, so she likes to be in the water relating with her trainers. Just by that, you can see just how different each of these animals are. Now, how many of you have ever wondered how we train these crazy, high-flying, fun behaviors? How many of us out there? Quite a few of us. Well, here at SeaWorld, we use principles such as operant conditioning and positive reinforcement to train our animals, which basically means we're always asking them a question and they always have the ability to say no. So earlier, you guys may have noticed a dolphin came out to this front pool because she loves to be the center of the attention, and she wasn't necessarily asked to come out here. And that's completely okay. What we can do is let her know, hey, that's not quite what we're looking for, and we'll implement something called a least reinforcing scenario. So, all it is, it's actually behavior in and of itself. It's just a short 3-second pause. We're just checking in with our animal, being like, hey, are you okay? Thank you for having a positive attitude. Let's move on to something different, or maybe we can ask the question one more time. Now, what we're doing right now is we're gonna ask all 11 of our dolphins back up to a different area in the exhibit. After that, we are going to bring out another animal that lives here at Dolphin Adventures, which is our short-finned pilot whales. So you guys will see we just asked our animals up to another pool, and looks like they're all coming in over there. Now here at SeaWorld, we have a few different training sessions we'd like to implement. This behavior right here is known as gating. It's a very, very important session where we can ask our animals to stay in different areas so we can focus on a few animals at a time if we need to, instead of always focusing on all 11 at once. Now what we're gonna wait here is wait for that gate to click, and you guys may see a dolphin came on out here, which again is completely okay. We're gonna see if she recovers and comes on back up. Now out here right now is Koa. Koa is one of our Pacific Bottlenose Dolphins, and she's a dolphin who absolutely loves to be the center of attention and loves always getting attention from her trainer. She's a very vocal animal as well. Now, do you guys know we are home to 2 different kinds of dolphins here at Dolphin Adventures? We have Pacific Bottlenose Dolphins and Atlantic Bottlenose Dolphins. So Koa here, who you just saw, you guys will notice she's gonna be a lot larger in size. Pacific Bottlenose Dolphins can actually weigh up to 1,000 pounds. And their Atlantic counterparts, which you guys had the opportunity to see, Coco and Sarasota, they're gonna be a little bit smaller, weighing up to almost 600 pounds when they're fully grown. Now, another difference between those 2 animals, the Pacific Bottlenose Dolphins are also going to be much darker in coloration. This coloration helps them blend into their environment. So Pacific Bottlenose Dolphins, you will actually be able to see right off the coast of San Diego here. They're going to be darker in coloration, so on their back side is actually going to be the darkest. That's called their dorsal side. And then their ventral or their belly side, you guys will notice, is a little bit lighter. We call this coloration counter shading, and you will see it in so many different animals. Sharks display it, fish display it. Even killer whales have some sort of counter shading on them as well. That allows them to blend in very well with their environment. So they have prey that is looking down on them, they'll blend in with the depths of the ocean, and if it's looking up on their belly side, they'll blend in with the light of the sky. Well, it looks like our dolphins said yes to that question, which is awesome. So we are going to give an opportunity for our short fin pilot whales to come out. Here at Dolphin Adventures, we are home to 2 short fin pilot whales, and they're both rescues with quite the amazing story. Ava and Piper were found stranded off the coast of Florida in 2012, and they were part of a mass stranding of 22 pilot whales. They were quickly brought to SeaWorld of Orlando, Florida, where they received around-the-clock care from our veterinary staff and rescue teams. At the time of their rescue, they were estimated to only be about 3 to 6 months of age, and they weighed only 300 pounds. To put that into perspective, that's smaller than our smallest dolphin here at Dolphin Adventures. Due to their young age, the Florida Fish and Wildlife Commission deemed Ava and Piper unable to be released. And so, in 2019, after a few years of rehabilitation at SeaWorld Orlando, they came to join our family here at SeaWorld San Diego. Ava and Piper are now 11 years old, and they are certainly thriving. Pilot whales have a zest for life. They're curious and playful. One of the best ways for us to build our relationship with them happens to be through a little bit of playtime. So please enjoy this very special playtime with our pilot whales, Ava and Piper. lucky to care for such amazing animals with such incredible stories. Now make sure to stay in those seats because we have a grand finale planned for all of you with all 11 of our dolphins coming back out and brand new behaviors you have yet to see. However, if you do need to leave at this point in time, we ask that you exit the top of the amphitheater for not only your safety, but our animals' safety as well. Now that you've had the opportunity to meet our incredible pilot whales and all of our dolphins as well, I'd like to take this time to highlight another team that works here at SeaWorld, completely behind the scenes, and that is our SeaWorld rescue team. Over the last 55 years, our rescue team has come to the aid of over 40,000 animals. And just last year alone at our SeaWorld San Diego location, we rescued over 550 animals. We couldn't have done this without all of your help and support, so thank you all for being here today. Now, as our incredible animals make their way back out, we hope they have inspired you to make a difference in the oceans that surround us. Not just for us, but for generations to come. Just by being here today, you are showing your love for these animals, and we hope you will join us in our commitment to care for our lands, seas, skies, and all of its amazing animals. Well, it looks like everyone's here, and that means it's time for some more fun. So let's live it up, because the world